What happens when the earth opens its jaws beneath our feet? This question became tragically real for the communities in southern Italy on November 1st, 1755, when a colossal earthquake seized Calabria with an overwhelming magnitude. As the ground shook violently, entire villages crumbled to dust, claiming the lives of thousands. The scientific examination reveals tectonic shifts along the fault line below Calabria, unleashing a destructive force that changed the landscape forever. Yet amid this chaos, stories of resilience emerged, such as that of Riccardo, who against all odds survived the disaster and led efforts to rebuild his community. These events underscore the relentlessness of nature and the human spirit's power to forge hope from ruin.